COVID vaccines first came to the country at the start of December 2020, after months of clinical trials and scientific research. The Pfizer/BioNTech and University of Oxford/AstraZeneca jabs are now being handed out across the UK. How many people have already had the vaccine? More than 80,000 people have died from COVID-19 in the UK, latest figures have confirmed. The UK hit the grim milestone earlier this year, with the country in the midst of a tragic third wave of infections. But thankfully 2 different types of coronavirus vaccines have already been distributed across the UK, with millions more doses set to be delivered. Millions of people have already received their first dose of the vaccine, with even more to come over the next few weeks and months. We will use your email address only for sending you newsletters. Please see our privacy notice for details of your data protection rights. The government will be releasing weekly figures to show how many people have been vaccinated against coronavirus. Up until January 10th, more than 2 million people had received their first COVID vaccine dose. The majority of those people live in England, while Northern Ireland had received the fewest number of jabs in the first few weeks. The vaccines have been prioritized for people over 80 years old, as well as care home residents. In December, Health Secretary Matt Hancock said, thanks to a huge effort from the NHS to overcome significant logistical challenges, 616,933 people across the UK have had their jab of the coronavirus vaccine. In just over 3 weeks, the NHS in every part of the UK has already set up hundreds of vaccination sites to ensure those most in need can receive their jab as quickly as possible. This is just the beginning, and we are continually expanding our vaccination program to help everyone get back to normal in the future. 40 million doses of the Pfizer/BioNTech vaccine have been secured for the UK. COVID vaccines are being delivered at more than 500 vaccination sites. The over 80s were the first people to be given the vaccine, with 90-year-old Margaret Keenan the very first person to be given the jab. Care home residents started to receive vaccines from December 16th. Up until December 20th, the vaccine was given out to 7 care homes, in Slough, Aintree, Hernby, Thanet, Chalfont St Peter, Droitwich and Cheltenham, and Chelsea pensioners.